Hi, my name is Sridhar Reddy Veeram Reddy. My student ID is U110452. Coming to the assignment which I did by following some websites, and this is a table of content which we can see the stakeholder, product, vision statements, and what are the problems for faced in the previous ones, and what is the capability of the system, and what is the benefits, and we can see the some use case diagrams, analysis, product backlogs, and what are the references books which I made for record for doing the project, doing the assignment. Coming to the introduction, the assignment is about a software package implementation. The software is journey towards transforming the work of health sector as it ensures the effective communication among the stakeholder in the telehealth. And software is quite complete, quite different when compared to the manual system. The main aim of the software is to improve the process of service in the telehealth system, where we can see the stakeholder analysis. Stakeholder analysis is a logical gathering of information to establish how effective it is development in the project. Where we can see the stakeholders are doctors and the medical specialists, the insurance companies, the patients, and the government, where we can find here the different type of columns is there, one for the stakeholder and a project interest and nature of the interests and influence and the requirement. If we find the stakeholder as a doctor, and his influence is very high when compared to insurance companies, all like that. The project interest is the software implementation is solely done by the doctor. And coming to his requirements, need to ensure all the healthcare activities and executed with the help of telehealth equipments. There's some specialized equipments is there that the doctor can easily identify which patient is came, what is the requirement when he came at the past. And coming to insurance companies and the medicals, coming here we can observe the medical specialist. The medical specialist, the project interest is they will register in a system and hence they will be easily accessed, and the influence is very high. And coming to the requirement, we can see that I need a system which can recognize them and easily connect from the consultant. And we can find the government. Government is another stakeholder where the project interest is privacy matters of the patient is solely under there, where the influence is very low. And we can see the requirement for the government stakeholder, the presence of better and secure service for the patient in this role. And the main vision of the software package is the current system is a time very consuming, because a lot of time is wasted for serving a small population. And another major drawback is a lot of manual activities are involved. Due to these manual activities, they may chance to lose the data during some disorders. They may be chance to act some might happen some fire accidents. And the major drawback is a patient. If the patient is cancel his appointment in last minute, the entire session might get disturbed. And we can find a capability of the system. This system will attract more patient and the medical specialist as it simplifies the process of booking an appointment of cancelling items. Among the benefits, by searching in different websites and case studies, I gather some of the benefits. Those are, in order to overcome this introduction of software package, it might boost the working of the healthcare institutes and it facilitates better working of the coordination, where doctor will be informed definitely when qualified patients are sought out, as well as when cancellation appointment takes place through an alt. And if we see the patient qualification will be determined automatically without involvement of the paper. And the forwarding of the payment claims will be done automatically by the system once the specialist and doctor clicks the end session button. The benefits of the business, coming to the benefits of the business, business is The biggest benefit is a new system and the patients as they will be able to follow and review the appointment from time to time. And the use of paper and paper filling is no longer acceptable with the introduction of the software. The processing of payment will be made timely and instantly. And another most important one is the eligible patient will be determined automatically by the system where we can see the as is system is another case of diagram where we can see the flow how the flow is coming from the family doctor and the specialist in the as is case diagram. In the product backlog we can find explain the list of items which need to include from the project. And this is the Masco analysis where we can find the priority ranking, what the doctors want, what the government need, what the stakeholders need, like that. And in addition to this, we can find the use case diagram where use case diagram it is gathered from the Hill-Smith use case analysis and identifying with the required of organization system implementation, where the doctor can perform the operations like check qualified patients, search of available specialists, and book an appointment, search for appointment, and you might end the session that the patient can easily claim the insurance immediately. And we can see the specialist is consult with the patients, he claim the patient, confirm the payments. And we can find this is the use case diagram scenario which we mentioned for the stakeholders like a doctor, patients, and government sector. And in addition to this, coming to last but not the least, we can see some object classes which is used in the flowcharts for creating a easy as diagram for the patient, doctor, administration, medical specialist, and the payment claims. And these are the references books which I had gathered information from the online and from the library. Thank you.